Carefree Simply Shade is an exciting, easy new way to upgrade your RVing comfort by keeping the sun and rain out while keeping the cool in. And for the first time, you can buy awnings that fit your windows and color scheme without waiting for an expensive custom order. What's more, the awning experts at Carefree of Colorado make it super easy to make your RV super cool. First, measure the windows you want to shade and find the best Simply Shade awning sizes to fit. Now select from all black or all white shades to complement your RV. Then, order online to have your Simply Shades delivered in just a few days. Or walk into your dealer and pick them off the shelf yourself. It's easy to install your own Simply Shades with guidance from our installation video. Or, if you'd like, your dealer can install it for you instead. With step-by-step directions, the Simply Shade is designed to be do-it-yourself friendly. Simply Shades are made with Carefree's exceptional quality no-fray vinyl fabric and feature our standard matching WeatherGuard fabric protection. Awning deployment is fast and easy, and the hardware comes in black or white to match the vinyl. We also have a discounted fabric upgrade option if you want to match your patio awning fabric protection, or just upgrade from the solid black and white fabric with matching WeatherGuard. Upgrade to any existing fabric and fabric protection option during the first 90 days after purchasing by visiting carefreeofcolorado.com/Simply Shade. Click Fabric Upgrade and enter the serial number. See how cool this RV looks after adding Simply Shades? As cool as your coach will look, it's going to feel even cooler inside. Your AC will run less, your 110-volt supply will cost less, and can be used for other power needs in your coach. And on hot, rainy days, you'll enjoy keeping your windows open with Simply Shades. You'll never want to go shadeless again. Simply Shades are yet another industry first from Carefree of Colorado, America's favorite awning brand. Order them today at www.carefreeofcolorado.com/Simply Shade.